What if I told you the most powerful teacher in the world doesn't sleep, never forgets a fact, and can personalize a lesson plan better than your favorite professor? Welcome to the era where artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of education, and it's not just transforming classrooms, it's printing money for early adopters. This isn't science fiction. This is a $1 trillion industry under siege by algorithms, machine learning, and automation. And it's happening right now. The way people learn, teach, and profit from knowledge has changed forever. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a teacher, a coder, or even an expert to start profiting from this shift. With the right AI tools, you can build and sell online courses on autopilot, tap into e-learning marketplaces, and let machines do the work while you collect passive income. Buckle up, because today, we're pulling back the curtain on how AI is disrupting education and how you can turn this disruption into your greatest financial opportunity yet. Let's start with the big picture. The global education industry is worth over $1 trillion and growing. But traditional systems are failing to keep up with today's pace. Students are overwhelmed. Teachers are burned out. Institutions are buried in outdated curriculums. Enter AI, the ultimate disruptor. Imagine an intelligent tutor that adapts to your pace, remembers your weaknesses, and never runs out of patience. AI-powered platforms like ScribeSense, Quizlet AI, and Conmigo are already replacing traditional methods with hyper-personalized learning journeys. They analyze how a student learns, and then tailor content, speed, and testing methods to fit them like a glove. But here's where the gold lies. These same AI platforms can also work for you. If you've got any skill, from baking to budgeting, video editing to parenting, you can teach it using AI tools, package it, and sell it. You don't even need to record videos. AI will do that too. Use AI to create the content. In the past, creating a full online course took weeks of scripting, recording, and editing. Now, it takes minutes. Start with ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper to generate a course outline, lesson breakdowns, and even slide notes. Tools like Tome and Beautiful.ai will convert those outlines into gorgeous visual presentations. Auto-designed, branded, and ready to go. Want talking head videos? Use Synthesia or DID to generate AI avatars that teach your content in a human-like voice and body language. No camera, no microphone, no studio. Just prompts, clicks, and output. These tools come with dozens of voiceover styles, languages, and accents, meaning you can target global audiences with zero localization cost. Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, all auto-generated, host on passive platforms. Once your course is ready, don't worry about building a website. Let the marketplaces do the heavy lifting. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, and Kajabi are hungry for quality content. You upload your AI-generated course once, and they'll handle marketing, traffic, payment processing, and customer support. And because AI lets you produce fast and scale wide, you're not stuck with just one course. You can build 5, 10, even 50 courses across niches, from DIY crafts to advanced Excel, and stack revenue like digital real estate. Think about it. One course bringing in just $200 a month might not seem life-changing, but 15 courses. That's a consistent $3,000 a month in passive income, with zero inventory, zero shipping, and zero overhead. And here's the kicker. Every month, your courses age like wine. They rank better, get recommended more, and become automated cash cows. Automate student experience. Customer support and student engagement used to be the nightmare part of course creation, but AI's got your back here too. With tools like TDO, Chatbase, or BotPress, you can embed AI-powered chatbots directly into your course platform. These bots can answer student questions in real time, help them navigate lessons, offer practice quizzes or flashcards, even give feedback on homework. You're building a full-service learning experience without lifting a finger. You can even schedule AI-powered email sequences that congratulate students, nudge them to keep learning, upsell other courses, or ask for testimonials. All of it automated. It's like being a professor with an army of digital assistants. Today, you can open up a tool like ChatGPT, Jasper, or CourseBox, and within minutes, generate a complete course outline, create modules, build quizzes, and even auto-generate slide decks. Add in text-to-video tools like Pictory, Synthesia, or Lumen 5, and you now have a video lecture series, narrated by a lifelike AI avatar. Want it in multiple languages? No problem. Tools like HeyGen and 11 Labs can translate and localize your content, making it instantly global. So how do you monetize this? Choose a niche. AI for real estate, Excel for small business owners, photography for food bloggers. The more specific, the more value. Build your course using AI tools. Use ChatGPT to map out your modules. Use Synthesia to generate video lectures. Use Canva to create clean, engaging PDFs. Use QuizGecko or ClassPoint to craft interactive quizzes. Post it. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, and even Gumroad let you upload and sell your course. Some platforms have built-in email marketing, analytics, and automation, so your store runs while you sleep. Now here's the secret sauce. Bundle the experience. Don't just sell a video. Create a course package. Include downloadable worksheets, mini assessments, cheat sheets, community access, or even a personalized AI tutor using ChatGPT via Telegram or Discord. With this, you're not just selling content, you're selling transformation. Now let's talk marketing. The same AI that builds your course can now help sell it. Use tools like Copy.ai or Anyword to write your emails, ad copy, and landing pages. Use Runway MEL to generate promotional reels. Use HoppyCopy or WriteSonic to craft high-converting blog content that ranks on Google. And for the bold, create a faceless AI influencer using Synthesia or DID, and have that avatar promote your course across platforms. That's right, you can be the silent CEO of an automated education brand. And if you really want to automate income, here's how to level up. Subscription model. Build a course club. Add new content monthly. Charge a fee. Use AI to generate monthly updates. Corporate licensing. Reach out to companies with relevant training content. License your course to them at scale. Affiliate marketing. Offer others a slice of the pie to promote your course. And yes, you can even go fully passive. Sites like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera Project Network let you upload once and get paid forever. Even better, some platforms allow white labeling. That means you can create one course and sell it under multiple brands, with the AI voice, video avatar, and branding all customizable. AI is removing the ceiling. No matter your background, accent, camera skills, or teaching experience, you can teach. This is just the first half of the opportunity. Next, we dive into syndication, scaling, and automated education systems that print money while empowering lives. Subscribe now to Matic Masters for more future-proof money-making strategies powered by AI.